In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to clean the filters on a Bush 3kg tumble dryer. It is important to clean the lint filter after each use. If the lint filter is not cleaned, you may find that it takes your clothes longer to dry. This means that you may need to run the dryer for longer, increasing your electricity bill. Firstly, open the tumble dryer door. Then, firmly pull the lint filter away from the inside of the tumble dryer. Next, lift away the exhaust filter. Then, lift away the lint filter. Do not be alarmed by the amount of fluff in the filter. All fabric loses fluff when drying, but it goes unnoticed in the air. Use a soft brush to remove any lint on the filter. Then, use a soft brush to clean the exhaust filter. After you have cleaned both the filters, reassemble the filters by placing the lint filter on the vent shroud. Then, fit the exhaust filter. You can now place the lint filter back in position. We recommend cleaning the air intake filter once a month. Remove the air intake filter by pulling it outwards. Remove the filter inside the air intake shroud and clean it with a soft brush. Reinsert the filter and install the air intake shroud. Your Bush tumble dryer is now ready to use.